That's the code we got, and that's the sensor that we're going to replace. And I'm going to show you where it's located. We're going to switch over to live data. And there it is. That's the intake air temperature sensor, and I got -40. In order to get at the intake air temperature sensor, we'll need to remove this cover and the whole air box to get at it, because it's located down in this area by the manifold, which I will show specifically later. Where is this goofy sensor located? I looked all over the net, couldn't find a thing. They said it was located here and there. After looking around, I figured it out. And I'm going to show you where this intake air temperature sensor is located. You see the little green connector? That's where it's located, right? See the green connector down there? Right down there. Right there is where that sensor is located. And here is the throttle body. And if you go alongside it, it's a throttle positioning sensor. And if you look way down there, see that hole? Let's see if you can see it. See that hole right there? That is where that sensor is, and it's located in the manifold, and you can get it from the top. I read places, oh, you have to lift the car and come from underneath. No, this is where it's located. That's where it goes in. So after you have the sensor removed, I'm going to show you how to test a good one and a bad one. Set your volt ohm meter to ohms on the 20K scale. Terminals doesn't matter. You just test the resistance across and note the reading. I get no reading. And now here's a good one. I test across the two terminals and I get about 3.44 kilo ohms. A good one will read based on temperature and it will vary, and a bad one won't read at all. See how this one, no measurement at all. And that's how you tell if you got a good one or a bad one. Now that I have the sensor plugged in, the computer's reading intake air temperature sensor at 54 degrees, which means it's working. Before you put it in there, make sure you have the connector hooked up to it, because it's difficult to get at. While I have the air box off, here's the air box. I'm going to clean the mass airflow sensor. If you flip it around and look in here, there it is. That is the air mass flow sensor. Now you clean it with mass airflow sensor cleaner. Look in the description and you can get a can. This stuff's worth its weight in gold. It makes your car run good. You just want to, don't touch that stuff. You just want to spray it on there. Let it dry. Maybe do it a couple of times. It's as important to do that as it is to clean your air filter. Clean the screen around and we're good to go. We'll let that sensor dry out for about 15-20 minutes and we'll put it back in. You want to clean that on a regular basis because that's what reads the flow going in. Now that I have all the covers replaced, we're going to fire the engine up and check out and see how the sensors work and see if some of the error codes go away. There's a new reading on the air temperature. Let's fire the car up. Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.